loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have unboxing of the Style Down March box, and I like their box. It is 15 something euros. It's comes like in the slim packaging, and it always contains 5 full-size items. So first one is the hand mask. It's from the brand Co Coaster Hand Moisture Pack. Keep it on 20 minutes, and it's made in Korea, and it retails for $3.95. So I do love me some K-Beauty. Then next we have is from Paisley. It's like this eyeshadow trio. It retails for 18 euros, which I think is the most ridiculous thing ever, because these eyeshadows are boring as hell. Yeah, I don't know who would pay 18 euros for this. I will swatch it for you. The green shade is quite nice, but yeah, these are the shades. And yeah, the pigmentation is so. I will see how, like, if they're gonna put like products like this in, like, I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, like, 18 euros for this is like, I don't know, it seems such a gimmicky brand. So next is from brand called So Susan, and I do love them. I have had few of their items and I do like it. It's their, what are they called? It's the Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. So it's a liquid highlighter, comes in like little tube like this. It retails for 29 euros, which is ridiculous. But at least it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me do like a thick swatch of it. So here it is. Look how reflective and beautiful it is. So yeah, I can see myself using it a lot. Really like this, and it's also cruelty free, vegan, no minerals, parabens, gluten, phthalates. Yeah, and I think it's so cute, small packaging as well. Like, the price is expensive, but at least it's something I can see, like, you don't need a lot, and if the quality is good, I don't mind the price. Next is the Bank Beauty, and it's the a cream eyeshadow in shade Glam. Everyone else got pink cream, but I was late to subscribe to the box, so I got a different shade, and this retails for 22 euros. It is cruelty free and vegan. So it's super nice and creamy. It will make a really nice base. Here it is. Such a stunning shade. So I think I will get a lot of nice use out of it. But yeah, that eyeshadow trio was like such a disappointment. Let's say. The next one is Quick Max Eyelash Growth Serum. Grow visible, longer, thicker eyelashes in as little as 7 days. It retails for 14.50 euros, and yeah, that's nonsense. I can't believe it's 7 days. I will try it. I will take before and after pictures, and we will see if anything changes. So this is definitely something I will start checking out. Start testing, and then I will guys let you know on my blog if this really works. So yeah, this is it for this box. Let's see the value. So the total value of this box is 87 euros and 45 cents, which is not bad at all. But I do have this gimmick eyeshadow trio, which I'm not really in love, and it kind of stops me from loving the box. if you know what I mean. But yes, there is always next month, and yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.